In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot in Microsoft Teams. Copilot is your AI assistant inside Teams that helps you work faster, stay on top of conversations, and turn ideas into clear messages. Think of it as a partner that understands the context of your chats and meetings and helps you summarize, draft, and follow up without starting from scratch. First, open Microsoft Teams on your desktop or in your browser and sign in with your work account. If your organization has enabled Copilot and you're on a recent version of Teams, you'll see it available. If you don't, you may need to update the app or check with your admin, as availability depends on your license and organization settings. Next, click the Copilot icon. You'll typically find it on the left sidebar or in the top bar of a chat or meeting window. This opens a panel where you can start talking to Copilot in plain English. You don't need special commands. Just describe what you need, like summarize my unread messages in this chat or draft a quick response with a friendly tone. Let's use Copilot in chat. Open any one-on-one or group chat and ask Copilot to catch you up. It can summarize the latest messages, highlight decisions, and suggest action items. If you're replying, ask it to draft a response in your preferred tone, then review and edit before you send. You can also have it rewrite text to be shorter, more formal, or more detailed by simply asking. If you need more precision, follow up with a clarifying prompt such as include the deadline we agreed on, and it will refine the draft. Now use Copilot in meetings. During a meeting, open Copilot from the meeting window and ask for a live summary of what's been discussed so far, the key points, open questions, and who owns which tasks. If you join late, this is a great way to get oriented quickly. After the meeting, ask Copilot to produce a concise recap or next steps you can share with the team. If transcripts or recordings are enabled by your organization, Copilot can produce even richer summaries. Finally, adjust settings if needed. In team settings, you can review preferences like language and notifications and align them with how you want Copilot to assist. Within your prompts, you control the output by specifying tone, length, and audience. Remember that Copilot respects your organization's data and permissions, so it only uses content you already have access to. That's it. Open Teams, click the Copilot icon, use it in chat, use it in meetings, and tweak settings to fit your workflow. With a few clear prompts, you'll save time and communicate with more clarity.